You know that moment when you wake up and everything just feels calm? No clutter, no mess, just peace. It doesn't happen by accident. It happens because of one small habit. Just 30 minutes before bed. That's it. 30 minutes that can change your entire morning. Today, I'm showing you the 30-minute night reset. The quiet little routine that keeps your home clean, your mind clear, and your mornings beautiful. 1. The power of a nightly reset. It's strange how a clean room can make you breathe easier. How the sight of an empty counter can make your chest feel light. Most people think keeping a house clean means hours of scrubbing and endless chores. But that's not it. The secret is smaller, simpler. It's called the 30-minute night reset. Just half an hour before bed, and your home can shift from chaos to calm. It's not about deep cleaning or chasing perfection. It's about quiet control. You put things back. You make the space ready for tomorrow. And every morning, when you open your eyes, it feels like a new start. A quiet victory, hidden inside clean rooms and folded blankets. 2. Why a clean space feels like peace. Clutter isn't just stuff lying around. It's noise. It hums in the background, telling your brain something's unfinished. It makes you restless. Science even agrees. Messy spaces raise your stress levels. So, this little night ritual isn't just about tidying. It's about resetting your mind. You pick up the shoes near the door, and your thoughts start to slow. You wipe the table, and suddenly, the day starts fading away. The 30-minute reset doesn't just make your home better. It makes you better. It builds a small sense of peace every single night. A kind of calm that doesn't come from silence, but from order. 3. Start where it hurts the most. Every home has that one spot. The dumping ground. Maybe it's your kitchen counter. Maybe it's that chair in the corner, the one covered in half-folded clothes. Start there. That's your first battleground. Don't think. Just move. Put things away. Wipe the surface. It doesn't have to look like a magazine photo. It just needs to look done. Focus on impact, not detail. Because once that hot spot is cleared, everything else feels easier. It's like momentum. One clean area pulls the next in a line. The mess loses its power when you stop ignoring it. 4. The kitchen, where chaos begins and ends. If your kitchen's a mess, the whole house feels off. That's just truth. So make it the heart of your reset. Load the dishwasher. Wipe the counters. Empty the sink. Don't overthink it. A clean kitchen has a strange kind of authority. It calms the whole house. It tells you the day's done. You can rest now. Tomorrow's breakfast will be easier. The smell of soap and lemon cleaner becomes a signal. The quiet hum of the dishwasher becomes a kind of lullaby. It's small but powerful, like closing the book on your day, one dish at a time. 5. The living room and the door you walk through. The first thing you see when you enter your home. The last thing you see before bed. That's the living room and entryway. They hold the story of your day. Shoes kicked off, jackets tossed, pillows out of place. You don't need to perfect it. Just reset it. 5 minutes. That's all. Pick things up. Fold a blanket. Straighten a frame. It's not cleaning, it's closure. A signal that the day's done and tomorrow's waiting. The next morning when sunlight hits that tidy space, it feels good. Like the house is smiling back. 6. The bedroom. Your last stop before rest. Your bedroom deserves more than chaos. It's where your body learns to rest. Yet, it often ends up the most cluttered place. Clothes piled on chairs. Random things on the nightstand. So tonight, try this. Pick up the clothes. Straighten the sheets. Clear the bedside. It's not about beauty, it's about breathing. A clean bedroom is like a whisper that says, you did enough today. You'll sleep better. Wake up lighter. It's amazing how much peace fits in a room when it's not full of stuff. 7. The bathroom. Small room, big difference. The bathroom's easy to ignore. But when it's clean, it changes your whole morning. Just a quick wipe. Sink, mirror, counter. Put the toothbrush back in its place. Hang the towel properly. 2 minutes, maybe 3. But it shifts the energy. When you walk in the next morning, it feels fresh. Not sticky or cluttered. Clean smells create calm thoughts. Small acts like these, they add up. They tell you you're in control, even in the smallest corners of your life. 8. Laundry, the monster that never sleeps. Laundry has a way of multiplying overnight. Ignore it for 2 days and it owns you. So make it part of your reset. If there's a load to fold, do it while watching something. If there's one to wash, start it before bed. Just don't let it pile up in silence. Even collecting dirty clothes into one basket makes a difference. Little systems matter, because when laundry's handled, it stops haunting the background. You reclaim time, space, and sanity, one clean shirt at a time. 9. The final sweep. The last 10 minutes. That's when you walk through your home. Quietly, slowly, look around. Pick up what's left. A cup on the table. A book on the couch. Straighten chairs. Turn off lights. It's not cleaning anymore, it's closure. A small walk of peace. You're telling your space, we're done for today. That walk makes your home feel alive, like it's breathing with you. You don't need to fix everything. Just make it calm. Enough that when you wake up, nothing screams chaos. Just soft quiet. Just home. 10. The habit that changes everything. This isn't about chores. It's about rhythm. Discipline that feels gentle. 30 minutes every night builds something deeper than cleanliness. It builds trust between you and your space. You'll notice it one morning when you wake up and nothing feels heavy. No mess waiting. No chaos lurking. Just quiet order. You'll pour your coffee in a clean kitchen and feel ready for the day. That's the reward. That's the reason. The 30-minute night reset isn't a cleaning trick. It's a lifestyle. A small promise to yourself that peace begins at home. And every night, you get to start again. And that's it. Just half an hour. No stress. No pressure. A small reset that gives your home that peaceful, always fresh feeling. Try it tonight. See how different tomorrow feels. Because clean spaces don't happen by chance. They happen by choice. Every night, a little effort. Every morning, a new start. You've been watching Cleaning Vibes, where calm homes meet simple living. If this video helped you breathe a little easier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs that nightly peace too. Until next time, take a breath, reset your space, and let the calm begin.